All right, guys, we are here at Winco, and we are getting ready to make some homemade Reese's peanut butter cups. We're going to start out by making our peanut butter the freshest we can. So there's all kinds of choices here, and they literally are going to go ahead and smush them all up for you when you get them to make a total homemade peanut butter. The honey roasted I'm not going to do because I don't want the sugar added. So this is what we're going to do. So you basically take your cup, you put it under here, you can see the peanuts right here. We're going to go ahead and push this button and check this out, guys. Now it doesn't get any fresher than that, huh? So here, this is how you do it. We're going to go for the dark chocolate flavored melts. We're going to just get this all in here and fill it all up. And this is what we're going to take home. Hey guys, it is Julie from the Nash Vegas Sisters, and today we are going to make some homemade peanut butter cups. Now, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and go check out some of the other videos that I've just put on. One of them is shopping at Winco Bulk Foods. And one of the things that's really exciting about that is just by making this recipe is making these chocolate peanut butter cups a whole lot healthier. So in the bulk section, I was able to get all of these milk chocolate discs, see? And they're fresh, so I love that. I also bought some dark chocolate ones because I prefer a little healthier version of the dark chocolate. But the coolest part of this is, I don't know if you've ever seen it, and it's gonna be in the video, is this peanut butter. So it's basically a huge bin of peanut butter. They have honey roasted or plain, just peanuts in their bin, or cashew and almond. And you literally grind it up and it makes these butters straight from the nuts. So there's no oils, there's no salt, there's no sugar, except for, of course, the honey roasted would have its own sugar, which is why today we are using just plain peanut butter. Now, in order to get the consistency for the peanut butter inside the peanut butter cup, you do add a little bit of powdered sugar. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So basically, these are 3 ingredient chocolate peanut butter cups. So it's super healthy. You don't have all those yucky oils, you know what you're putting in your body, and it's just really great. One of the things that I also am going to try is to mix a little bit of the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate together and see if my husband will like that, because it is a little bit better for you, and we'll see what he thinks. Now, meanwhile, at this point, I've gone ahead and prepared my cups. And I wanted to make a lot of little minis. So if you can get these, if you go to just Dollar Tree or anywhere, I don't really care what they look like. I got the little minis, and then I'm gonna make some larger ones. This is so simple, you'll never wanna buy them again in the store. So I wanna introduce you to my chocolate melter. I have had this Wilton chocolate melter for probably about 12 years, a very, very long time. It has gone through lots and lots of holidays and lots of peanut butter bites and chocolate melting and dipping, and I've had to tape my handle at this point, but it has never come loose. I think when I was washing it one time, it just popped off, so I have secured it back. It has never let me down. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link for this chocolate melter for you so that you can order it. You will totally get your money's worth. The chocolate never burns. It is super easy to use. So if you want, that link will be right inside my description of this video for you to be able to purchase this amazing little gadget. And it's super easy to store too because it's so small. One of the things I also love is this comes out to totally wash it, so you never have to worry about this getting all dirty. Now, it also has a melt feature, a warm feature, and then off. So it's kind of nice because if you just want to keep things warm, you can do that. And surprise, yes, you can put cheese in there. So if you're doing a fondue, you can literally just keep your cheese warm. I like to stir everything every once in a while, and that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna see, I put this chocolate in, it does melt pretty quickly. So my husband and I tried this peanut butter on some breakfast peanut butter toast yesterday. I like to buy the carb-free bread and toast it up really nice and crispy. And we thought, oh, let's try this with no salt and no sugar in it. It was delicious. So I do highly recommend. I also bought some of the cashew butter. And this is the cashew butter. It looks a lot thicker than the peanut butter. Here, let me see if I can get a spoon and then I'll show you. So the consistency is quite a bit thicker, but I think like on a piece of toast or something, this is gonna be really good. So I'm really excited to try it. Have not tried it. I'm waiting to try it with my husband and see what we think. And give it a little stir every so often. All right, guys, we're gonna go get our peanut butter ready. We're gonna put it into the bowl. You're gonna use about a cup of peanut butter, and I've done this a little bit before, so I kind of have an idea how much I need. So here's your peanut butter. And you're gonna go ahead, put about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and then mix it up and kind of feel for the consistency. You kind of want it to be thick, but not too thick, because you're gonna put a little dab of this, like a little ball of peanut butter, into each one of those little pockets of chocolate once they harden. All right, so it looks like our chocolate is nicely melted. I don't like to go directly in, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it into this little cup because it has a nice spout on it, into the little cups. Now what you want to do is you don't want to add too much. This is just going to be the bottom of a peanut butter cup. But the trick is coming. All right, so we're just gonna do 4 of them right now, so I can kind of show you now what we have to do next. So we're gonna take each one of these little cups, and we're gonna take a spoon, and we're going to take the chocolate and push it up on the sides all the way around. Kind of make like a little chocolate bowl. It is not hard, but it is probably the most time-consuming little part there is. And it can get a little messy, but that's okay, it's chocolate. All right, so right now we've got the big cups in the refrigerator cooling down, so that's the next step. You wanna make sure you get them all into the refrigerator. And here is our dark chocolate, okay?